This is May 12th. About 8 o'clock in the morning. Come out at 6 to get the newspaper. And this is what I found. My truck is underneath there somewhere. This is an ornamental pear tree. I always keep it trimmed back 5 foot from the driveway. And who'd have thunk that it would have a split trunk event. And this is a healthy tree. It just simply broke. It split down the trunk. So once I uncover my truck and see what kind of damage I got there, I'm going to have to get a tree trimmer out here, since this tree is now split, to take down this tree. And it couldn't happen at a worse time. I'm so busy at my factory, it's not even funny. I can't even see daylight. It's a constant high-stress struggle daily. Wife and I is up there 7 days a week, usually working late. Really didn't have time for this, but all part of living, I guess. The only good thing was we got that big pole saw up there at the farm, and I'd gone down and picked up this lightweight pole saw. It's fixed height, it's non-adjustable, just for here around the house. Looks like it's going to get some use. So you wake up, go out to get the paper, and there's your truck. All part of living, I guess. That's all for this one. I gotta get to work. Thank you.